How can it be? Satan hates us more than anything. Everything we do against Hashem, the Satan makes a party out of it. How will we get the Satan from talking against us to become our defense lawyer? Did you ever see such thing? That the prosecutor who came defense lawyer? It's possible only in one way. In two ways. A person has to make his own judgment in the month of Elul every night before you go to sleep. How did I improve today? Baruch Hashem, I started finally, I took the tefillin, cleaned the dust. I started to put tefillin every day. Baruch Hashem. No, what else? I started to give more tzedakah. Month of Elul, it's the month of tzedakah. I always say every year, Baruch Hashem, there are some smart people who get the point. But unfortunately, the vast majority do not get the point. To do a perfect tshuva is not easy at all. Everybody understands. There's thousands of things to fix. Pride, ego, anger, laziness, jealousy, so many things. Shabbat, tefillin, talit, tefillah, midot, modesty, watching the eyes, lashon hara, rechilut, so many things. So what's the solution? Fix with money, pay fines. What does it mean, pay fines? Send a lot of money for tzedakah between now and Yom Kippur, these 40 days. A lot. Why? Because when the Satan comes to Hashem and says, look at this Reuven, look at this Shimon, look at this Sarah, look at their ear, look at them. Rosh Hashanah is in 3-4 weeks, they still did not even touch their mission in life. They don't fix anything. Look at them. What's the difference between this Sarah and this Christine? Look at them. Almost the same. What's the difference between this Reuven and John? Same. He has this hair and he has this hair. He is full of tattoos, he is full of tattoos. He eats whatever he wants, he eats whatever he wants. What is the difference? The difference is that when the Jew gives a lot of tzedakah, it blocks the mouth of the Satan, the prosecutor. The Satan is the prosecutor in your trial. He will find everything that can be used against you. He will never miss it. He's not a prosecutor first year out of law school working for $40,000 a year in Manhattan that miss a lot of what needs to be done and come not ready for the trial. And you get lucky many times and you go home because he did not make his homework. No, the Satan is an angel. He does not miss one detail of what you did wrong. Every lashon hara, it's in his file. Every chilul Shabbat, in his file. Every stinginess that you did not give tzedakah to miserable people who begged you, it's in his file. Everything is in his file. The only thing that makes the Satan mute, like pressing the mute on the remote, is when a person gives a lot of tzedakah. Why? Tzedakah tatzil mimavet. Tzedakah is like taking the file and rip it. Because when he comes to Hashem and say, look at these guys, look at him how he behaved, look. What's the answer immediately? Be quiet. Chatom pe Satan ve'al yastin alenu. Ze'om bo ve'idom ve'hu ya'amod melitz letzadkenu. Meaning, translation, first step, chatom pe Satan. Block the mouth of the Satan. Ve'idom, the Satan will be quiet. He won't dare to try to talk anymore. Ze'ombo ve'idom. Ze'ombo means get angry, the Satan, make him quiet right away. Not only he will be quiet, next time he will open his mouth, he will be forced to praise you in the court of heaven. How can it be? Satan hates us more than anything. Everything we do against Hashem, the Satan makes a party out of it. How will we get the Satan from talking against us to become our defense lawyer? Did you ever see such thing? That the prosecutor who came to become your prosecutor, your defense lawyer? It's possible only in one way. In two ways. One is that you give a lot of tzedakah. And second is that you save other Jews. you bring them closer to Hashem. In these two cases, the Satan does not have any power against you. Why? Because Hashem say, look how hard he work, look how difficult until he makes the money, and in 1 second he comes and gives it to help other people. What do you want? This is a person you want me to kill this year, not to let him live? This is what you want? The Satan immediately loses his case. Why? Yes, he's not perfect, but look how he cares about other people. And the highest of everything, that when you bring the children of Hashem back to him, even if you yourself is not righteous, they cannot trial you like a regular sinner. It says in the Zohar, technically there's nothing they can do against you. Why? Because it's impossible that all the people that became religious with your money, with your donations, with you sponsoring CDs and USBs and helping people to see the truth of the Torah and become religious, but you yourself are far from being perfect. Still not perfect. You have a lot of things to fix. The problem is, if Hashem puts you in Gehenom and the people that you save, they go to heaven, that's Chilul Hashem. That's a big problem. You can't put the rabbi in Gehenom and his student in heaven. That's disrespect for the Torah. So Hashem, you're actually forcing him to make you Baal Tshuva in your lifetime. He cannot let you die wicked. This is what it's written clearly in the Gemara. Kol המזכה את הרבים אין חטא בעל ידו. Meaning, HaKadosh Baruch Hu in the end must make him more positive than negative on a scale. So if a person doesn't do it on his own, what will do it? The merit of his students, because every mitzvah they keep goes to his account. So automatically he's on the positive side. And what's with his sins? Maybe he speaks Lashon Hara, maybe he steals, maybe he breaks Shabbat here and there, maybe he looks at the girls, maybe he does things that are not kosher. So before he died, Hashem will give him suffering, X amount of time, clean him completely, and that's it. No Gehenom. Why? Someone like this cannot go to Gehenom. Mizrachi Rabim. Not only that, in heaven, there is one more heaven, special, VIP, that even the most righteous people cannot go there. People who learn all their life Torah, what do you mean? And build trillions of mitzvot, trillions. They can't go there. They go to very good heaven, don't worry about them. But to this special, superb place, the best, there's only people that save other Jewish souls and made them Baalei Tshuva can go there. No one else. Special department. Why? This is the people שהמלך חפץ ביקרם. You save my children, I owe you for eternity. Because there's nothing Hashem wants more than his lost Jews' children to come back to him. It's written in the Torah, פסוק מפורש, מי ייתן והיה זה לבבם ליראה אותי. All I'm begging is that they will come back and have יראת שמיים and return back to me. ושבת עד השם אלוקיך ושמעת בקולו. As soon as you return to me, what will happen? ושב השם אלוקיך וריחמך ושב וקיבצך מכל העמים. It's a list of blessings. As soon as you show Hashem one step, you come near him, immediately he changes attitude towards you from A to Z. Mamash, it's a hocus pocus.